In this video, I will show you how to request to join people live videos on TikTok. The step are so simple to follow. Just make sure to watch the video to the end. You don't make any mistake. First of all, after you open up your TikTok, all you have to do now, just tap on this menu. As you can see now, tap on this home button. So as you can see now, it will give you an option like this. Here is live option on my TikTok, as you can see now. So now, if I want to join this live, as you can see now, this is live on my TikTok. If I want to join it, all you have to do now, tap on this request button. If you tap on this request button like this, now it will ask you now to send request. If I tap on this send request, now it will allow me now to join this live video on TikTok. That's the first method. But the second method to join live on TikTok is if you scroll to down, as you can see, let's say like this one. As you can see now, these two people are just now making live. But now if I want to join their live, now as you can see now, there is no button for me to join their live. All I have to do now, I will just tap on this add comment button, as you can see now. So now I can be able now to send them a message that I want to join your live. As you can see, just send a message like, I want to join your live. I want to join your live. So by typing I want to join your live, now the owner, as you can see here, is the hoster. Now the hoster now can be able now to add me to the live. I can be able to be part of their live. That's it, guys. As you can see now, like this one now, as you can see now, I can be able now to send a request that to send them a message like I want to join their live. And so as you can see, there's an option now. If we tap on this, as you can see now, request like this, I tap on this request, now I can be able now to join this live video on TikTok. That's it, guys. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and ask question in the comment. Thank you for watching, guys. We'll meet in the next video. So now tap on this live at the top left side.